Hey guys, this is Lex from Lex City Productions, and today I am very excited. I'm sitting here with my Orange Crush on a cold winter day, bringing you my very first tutorial ever. What we're going to learn today is basically how to make a decent intro for your videos. Nothing like fucking Windows Movie Maker, because that shit sucks. I want to show you real quick what this is going to look like. Here we go. Alright, I gotta admit, I made that in 5 minutes, but it's still pretty awesome. So what we're gonna do is we've got to make sure we start out with 3 video layers. As you can see, I've already got done, and a 4th track that can be your audio track. First thing you want to do is make sure you've got all your media saved to your computer, such as the texture that you saw in the video, which is basically the background. The animated, you need some sort of an animated video. You can get anywhere online. If you just Google search it, you can find these cool little deals here. I mean, they're loops basically. You know, and then your intro song dealy. First thing, we're gonna drop our texture in right on the first track, okay? And let's see, this was about 10 seconds long. Next thing we're going to bring down is we're going to put in a text media. The font that I use, I want you to use your own font. I don't like to be copied. I think people who copy me are pretty much gay. I have the Alexis font. We're gonna go with about 40 for a font size, and type in your text. I'm the worst typer ever, so you'll have to bear with me. We're gonna make this a size of 40, and this should fit our screen. Again, make the clip the same size as your background. Actually, I'm going to be setting these all to source alpha. When you start your title, everything source alpha for your video tracks. The reason why these were like on plus and X was from a previous Sony Vegas file I had open. So make sure they're all source alpha. But okay, you can see the background, but you can't see the text. If you just want to see that real quick, you hit solo. There you go. And you can see it fits the screen. Okay, we'll unsolo that. Let's bring down our next file here. We'll bring our animate. Again, make it the same size. Okay, so far, I mean, it's nothing. You could solo it. This is basically the effect that the text is going to have. And what we're going to try to do is get that so it only shows up inside the text, and also so the background shows. Now, we've already pulled down our media. First thing I want to do, and I always do this, we'll set a fade in, fade out on the text. Set our compositing modes, this one being add. So we're going to set this next one to multiply mask. We're going to set the next one to add. Okay, we're going to unsolo this, and bam. I mean, you can see all the flashiness in the text. There is a few things missing. It's how the Lex City Productions logo zoomed in and then zoomed out and did a little bouncy effect at the end. We're going to add that right now. Go to Event, Pan, and Crop. We're going to drag a keyframe about to the 2-second mark. Just add a default right there. Then we're going to go just right after it. We're going to do a zoom in. So go to workspace, zoom. We're going to zoom out a little bit. Okay, after that's done, we're going to drag this so it's big. Wasn't that big in my earlier one. Put it about right there. Just give me 1 second here. I'm going to take another drink of my orange crush. All right. So far, it zooms in. Now, the next keyframe, we're going to go to preset, standard TV aspect ratio, and it goes back to its original position. Next keyframe, we're going to, let's make it smaller than it ever was. So we're going to drag it up a little bit. Also keep in mind, see this little circle in the middle? It's always right over the letter R. So whenever you do these movements, make sure that center circle is over the letter R. Otherwise, it's going to look like shit. Next keyframe, let's have it bounce a little bit inward. Next keyframe, and we'll do that again. Next keyframe, let's just go back to the default again, and let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna turn it down, the draft to full. We'll go full screen. Make sure this is set here. Okay, we got the fade in. Uh-oh. I think I fucked up somewhere. I don't know if you saw or not. It did not zoom in. There is a missing keyframe somewhere. Okay. Here's the problem. These keyframes are too close to this one when it zoomed in. So you're going to select these last 5, and we're going to drag them a little bit over to the right. A zoom in and a gradual zoom out. Actually, I want to do this. Alright. Let's check it out. Nah, that's too quick. Gonna select these, drag them over. That one here. Let's try it again. Well, it's livable. For the most part, this is trial and error. I'm sorry if I don't, doesn't look like I know what I'm doing, but hey, this is my first tutorial. I'm gonna play it one more time. I mean, I think it's alright. And it's not exactly what it was before, but that's alright. Last but not least, we're gonna drag down our sound. Let's turn our preview quality to best full screen again. Okay. Sweet. And there's our fade out. Well, that is my tutorial on intros to using your Sony Vegas videos. I hope you learned a lot, and I'm looking forward to doing many more tutorials. I'm hoping to do a lightsaber tutorial that you can use color corrector secondary on. I'm still experimenting with that. I'm new into video editing, about 2 months. So, yeah, that's about all I have to say. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace out.